Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing very, very well. In our today's class, my dear student, we are going to see the grammar portion of your English book. Okay. So, in your grammar section, first of all, we are going to start or we are going to see your chapter number 1. And the name of your chapter number 1 is Compound Words. Okay. So, what is the meaning of compound words? So, in the starting of this chapter, we all are going to discuss the meaning. Okay, and after that we are going to complete the exercise. Okay, so let's see what is the meaning of compound words. Compound word is formed by joining two words together. So what is the meaning of compound words? Compound words mean when we join two complete and two different words together. Okay, so they form compound words. Example, you can see in this way the new word formed by joining two words is called a compound word. Okay, so this is the another way of explaining the meaning of compound words. Then when we are going to join two different words, then we are going to form our compound word. Some important compound words are as following. Now we are going to see some important compound words which we use on our regular basis. Okay, so here you can see this is our compound words. Okay, so commonly used compound words are eye plus bro, eyebrow, eye plus lid, eyelid. This is common compound word. Okay, our eyebrow. Okay, so our eye plus bro, it becomes eyebrow. See, eye is a different word, bro is also a different word. Okay, but when we combine these two different words, then we become or then we form a completely new word. Okay, similarly, eye plus lid. Okay, eye is another word and lid is also another word. When we combine these two words, we form a new word named as eye lid. Okay, now the second one, sun plus flower, sunflower, pot, flower plus pot, flower pot. Okay, sun, a different identity, a different word. Flower is also a different word. When we combine these two different words, we form a new word known as sunflower. Fourth, flower, different word, and pot is also a different identity. When we combine these two different words, we form a new word, that is flower pot. Okay, so this is an example of commonly used compound words. Apart from them, we are also going to see some other examples. So here you can see words are given. Here again words and again words. Okay, see, if you are going to read all these words, you are going to note that these are compound words. Okay, means they are formed, means they formed after the combination of two different pronunciation words. Okay, so example you can see here, some day, house, hold, something, magic lamp, mother, land, fire, cracker. See, one difference you can see, there is a dash. There's a dash punctuation mark between these two words. And why in other words we can't see this dash word? Because sometimes what happen, among some compound words we also use our punctuation marks. Okay. Then firefly, unconscious, showroom, ourself, notebook, everyone, nothing, unjust. Okay. Similarly, here words you can see, prayer assembly. In this prayer assembly you can see dash. Then a classroom, firework, understood, overcome, untidy, unhappy, newspaper, wonderful, carefully, handmade, whatever, teenage. Okay, teenage. Okay, now the next one, cobweb, everyday, flower bed, chatterbox, dustbin, sleepless, unjust, goldsmith, impatient. Then homework, playground, water bodies, and auto rickshaw. Okay, these all are the common compound words which we use on our daily basis. Okay, so this is all about our compound words. I hope the concept of compound word is clear to you all. What is the meaning of compound word? Compound word are those words, compound words are those words which form a new word after the combination of two different words. Okay, simple meaning. Now, my dear student, we are going to see the exercise of this chapter. See, answers are already given here. Okay, answers are given here. You can take the help of answers. Okay, so the first exercise which we are going to complete is A. Match A with B to form meaningful compound words. Okay, so here you can see A column and B column, A column and B column. Okay, what you are going to do, you are going to match A with B, again A with B to form a meaningful word. Okay, like over. Over is going to be met with overcome. It will become your overcome. Okay, like this. Okay, overcome like this. Huh? Then dust. You are going to add dust with bean. Okay, it will become your dust bean. Okay, then you are become your firecracker. Okay, so how you are going to write firecracker? Like this. Firecrackers. In this way, you are going to write your firecrackers. Okay, then sun, ray. Okay, mother, land. You are going to add this mother with land. Okay, then your house will be house, hold, chatter, box, news, room. Okay, flower. Okay, flower, bed. Newspaper, then show, room. Okay, flower, bed. In this way, you are going to match column A with column B. Okay, answers are already given there, but try to complete it with your own. Okay, now our B. Write the words from which these compound words have been formed. See, in A हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, कुछ वर्ड्स को मैच कर दिया. ठीक है, अब बी में क्या है कि ऑलरेडी हमारे पास कंपाउंड वर्ड है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सेपरेट देम. ओके, हमें उनको सेपरेट करना है, तो कैसे करेंगे, आ जाओ देखते हैं. प्ले ग्राउंड. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सेपरेट इट? लाइक दिस. प्ले प्लस ground. Okay, then bed sheet. Bed sheet. Then whatever. Then notebook. Firefly. Fire plus fly. Button hole. So button is a separate word and hole is also a separate word. So right here button. And the last, classroom. Class. Okay. Now filling the blanks using appropriate words from the box. Here some filling the blanks are given. Okay. And for filling these blanks, a word is given in this light blue colored box. Okay. You are going to choose the perfect word and then going to fill the blanks. Okay. First one is, I threw the bits of paper in the dust bin. Okay. So right here, dust bin. Then we will all make our class dash clean. Classroom. Then the cob dash is on the wall. The cob web. Then comes, we all do our home dash ourselves. Home work. Then we use hand dash paper arms and mask on Dashehra. We use hand made. Then sixth one, whenever someone rubbed the magic dash, the genie used to come out. Okay, so whenever someone rubbed the magic lamp. Okay, then the last one, we should be disciplined at our work dash workplace. Okay, so in this way, my dear student, we have completed our chapter number 1 as well as with the exercise. Okay, now just go through this chapter and complete all the exercises. Okay, now I'm taking leave, my dear student. I'm going to meet with you all in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, you have to take very good care of yourself. Bye.